Man kept hearing strange noises coming from driveway. Look what was found under. The man had just moved into a brand new house and was enjoying every bit of it. But one day was different when he began to hear strange noises coming from the driveway. He was so paranoid he decided to put a camera. The next day he went to bed, but he didn't see any footage of anyone breaking in. The man began to become worried because he was living alone in this huge house. But then he began to investigate. The man came up with a plan to dig into his driveway until he found out where the noise was coming from. He discovered a hole and a stairs that led underground. He decided to go underneath, but you would never believe what he found.